Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S23 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome. Of course, no worries, basically in all browsers it looks kind of the same, or you will be able to find particular options in the same sections. So if you're on the browser, as I said, in my case Google Chrome, just tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. It should be on the third position. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. And if you want to, you can of course remove them manually one by one just by tapping on those X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data here, because here we will be able to do it automatically. We've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked and pick the time range. You can change it from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. Let's tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.